Hey guys, Mike Facile here, and in this video we're talking about how to make money on Freelancer and how beginners are earning $100 to $700 a day without having to do the hard work themselves. More with that after the intro. Hey guys, how's it going? Mike Facile here. Welcome to this video. Before we actually begin, to remind you that several spots have opened up for this week's free workshop, where it's the fastest and easiest way to make money online. Sign up for it in the link below. We literally have a 62-year-old woman go from $0 to $160,000 in profit in as little as 90 days, so check it out right now. Okay, so I want to share with you a way to make money on Freelancer.com without actually having to do the freelancer job yourself. Now, I actually have this really close friend here in Bali that makes a bunch of money online with freelancing, yet he's never done any of the freelancer work himself. What he essentially did was, when he was like traveling in Bogota or Colombia, I think it was, he was surrounded by all of these wealthy, successful entrepreneurs, and he was curious on how he could actually go ahead and make money. He was broke, he had no experience, he had no time, and yet he still wanted to be able to give himself the freedom to, pay off his debt, help his mom and dad, travel around the world. So what he did was very, very genius that anybody could literally copy. And what he did was he asked all these people what were their main problems, and then he found somebody else, like on Freelancer, to go ahead and do the hard work themselves. And he just arbitraged people to do the jobs for other people, and he would just add a little bit more of a price. And that's how he not only made a bunch of money, but sold that business for multiple six figures just a couple years later. And now he's just doing a bunch of investing and traveling and hanging out with his girlfriend. Now I want to share with you that method. It's very simple. If you go to Freelancer right here, you will see that this is a place where entrepreneurs like me go to hire the best freelancers for any job. How it essentially works is freelancers can help your business, and you choose from endless possibilities. You have flexible payment terms, diverse talent. There's literally a lot of people when you post a project or contest to actually find the perfect freelancer for them. So the number one way that people are actually making money is going over to here and just typing browse jobs and find all of these things that are popping up. And as you can see right here, this one is, this is a job for $3,000. This one's only $4 an hour. You scroll down, you want to find like the higher level things. This one is about $15 to $25 an hour. That's great. So retype current PDF, retype PDF, retype current PDF. Okay, it's essentially just someone to retype a PDF. That's an interesting one. Now we're going to go down here, proofread and correction. This one's $19 an hour. So what I can easily do is go to Upwork, another freelancer site, and just type in proofreader. And when I do that, one of the things that my friend ended up doing was he found that there was a huge arbitrage in talent. He would come up to here and type in Philippines, and then he'd go to hourly rate and do $10 an hour or below. And just like that, in the Philippines is amazing because this is like where my family's from, number one. And number two, this is where a lot of people are really, really good at English, but because the cost of living is a lot lower, like people are only charging like $5 an hour for proofreading. So you see, if this person who has a really good job success and is top rated only charges $5 an hour and she's made over 30 grand on this platform, you could literally hire her to do the job that would pay you $19 an hour. Now think about this. Someone pays you $19 an hour, you pay her $5 an hour from the money that you're making here. How much do you keep? Okay, that's already like $10 plus profit for you per hour. Now this is how, the wealthy and successful think. They're like, okay, poor people trade their time for money. The wealthy people think, okay, how can I create systems of leverage to have other people do things that are not worth your time? And as you can see from this is exactly a really good way that you could start making money with this. You literally find a job that pays well, you hire somebody from the Philippines to do it for a lot less. You can see that there's so many different opportunities. More and more opportunities. It's really good to go for the hourly one. Look at this. $20 per hour for an individual who can actually edit documents and English in proofreading. $20 an hour, guys. Just those two jobs, you could start making money with this from Upwork. Another thing that you can do is becoming an affiliate for Freelancer. Now, what an affiliate means is you're recommending people to go and hire a freelancer on Freelancer. Okay, now think about this. The pros about this way is you don't need your own business. You don't need to create your own freelancer. You don't even need to hire your own talent. You need to just find entrepreneurs who already want to hire freelancers and put the freelancer website in front of them. Now, the beauty about this is you can create passive income from this. You don't need your own website from this. You don't need your own background experience. You literally don't need any expertise. You don't need any upfront money. You can do this from anywhere in the world and you can make money in your sleep because you're not building your own company. You're referring people to other people's products and services, and you don't need to be tech savvy. You don't need any of that. You just need to know how to create content and put it in front of the right people that would go ahead and buy this. Now, this is beautiful because like I said, you can make hundreds of dollars a day simply by just recommending this as a service and getting paid from Freelancer directly. It's very easy to get started. You sign up for free, and then the next step is how can you put yourself in front of these people? So what you can do is go literally on YouTube and type in how to hire a freelancer. Now you can see all of these things pop up. I would literally start making videos about all of these things and then recommending them to my special link on Freelancer. Now, how this would work is you would, for example, type in like how to hire a freelance photographer, how to hire a freelance developer, right? Here's this software developer thing. If I made videos about this and I rank it on, YouTube or on Pinterest or on Twitter, I model the title, I model the thumbnail and all these things that are working, that are getting a lot of views. If I recommend the job from Freelancer that I found right here, like for example, proofreading or any of these things, it could literally be anything. Let me just type in, for example, developer, right? I can literally post this in the link in the description with my affiliate link, and if someone hires that person, I would get a commission from it without actually not having to build this myself. Now, the beauty about this is there's so many different things that you can make videos about, right? Look at this, how to write copywriter, developer, editor, designer, illustrator, video editor. You could recommend any job from Freelancer and help entrepreneurs literally make money that way instead of spending all of your time working as a freelancer yourself. Now think about how powerful that is. If you're a freelancer watching this, because that's what you are, because you came and saw this video, how much of your time are you trading away for money that you are literally spending to go ahead and try to work again to make more money, right? You need to create leverage for yourself, and the only way to do that is learning how to, combine leverage with other people's time and resources. Freelancer raised millions of dollars. They built this themselves. They're investing millions of dollars in the platform. Why would you compete when you could just recommend people to jobs instead of competing against all the people that are posting their jobs on here? Instead of competing against other freelancers like what you've been doing, what if you just recommended any freelancer that you wanted and made money regardless of if they took your job or not? It's a lot safer way to make money and to grow as well. And as you can see from this, when I started making videos about just all the things that I was learning, it started paying me a good amount of money on the side. And you're probably wondering, well, Mike, that's great for you. I'm just like a freelancer. I can never go ahead and do this. Look at this, okay? Literally 365 days, like not even 365 days ago, like a couple months ago, I was like in this pity party as well, like, oh, I don't know if I could believe in myself. Look at this, I'm only making $7 a day. Look at this, $7 a day, oh, boo-hoo. The moment I tried seriously to make my goals a reality, the moment I started, actually going after my goals as if those were the only things that I wanted in my life, to provide for my family, to travel around the world, to create freedom for myself, no matter what craziness is going on in the world. The moment I got serious and took my life as a business, that's when it started growing. Look at this. In the past even couple months alone, it just started skyrocketing when I treated this very seriously and stopped worrying about my limiting beliefs on the reason, oh, I can't do this for myself. And like I said, you can make money on the videos and the ads that play on this as well, and also recommend Freelancer as an affiliate. And when you're starting building an audience like that, you might as well just find other products that you can go ahead and promote. That's literally what I did with ClickBank, because there's so much affiliate products that you don't even have to create. You can literally have a percentage of hundreds of different businesses that are already existing, from keto, children's learning, World of Warcraft, all these things that you could already begin to make money on, tarot card reading, right? And you don't even have to create the product yourself. You don't have to hire a team yourself. You could literally be like me, someone who's supposed to be a dentist, who has no tech savviness whatsoever, to start recommending existing businesses and getting a percentage of that, right? It's a cool way to do business, because then you don't have to have too much responsibilities like what I do, right? And as you can see from this, it's pretty life-changing. In the past 7 days, we pulled in about 11K net. And in the past 30 days, when we pulled this up, we pulled in about like 34K net. All of these are just sharing with you exactly what I'm doing right now with this video, guys. So if you want this fast and easy way to make money online, you want me to hold your hand, check out this week's free workshop where it's the fast and easiest way to make money online imaginable. We have a 62-year-old woman go from 0 to 160 grand profit in 90 days. Check it out on the link below, as well as check out my podcast of all these multimillionaires that make a bunch of money online. They literally travel around the world and do amazing things. Check it out on the link below. That being said, I love you guys. Namaste. Peace out. Ew.